The Essays of Warren Buffett by Warren Buffett and Lawrence A. Cunningham. The Essays of Warren Buffett is a collection of the letters, articles, and speeches of Warren Buffett, the legendary investor and businessman. The book is a comprehensive guide to Buffett's investment philosophy and his approach to business. The book is divided into several sections, each of which covers a different aspect of Buffett's investment philosophy. The first section covers the importance of investing in businesses with a competitive advantage and a predictable stream of earnings. Buffett stresses the importance of focusing on a company's fundamentals and its long-term prospects rather than short-term market fluctuations. The second section covers the importance of value investing and the principles that Buffett uses to identify undervalued companies. Buffett believes that it is essential to buy companies that are undervalued by the market and then hold on to them for the long term. He also stresses the importance of maintaining a margin of safety and avoiding overpaying for a company's stock. The third section covers the importance of business ethics and the need for companies to operate with integrity and transparency. Buffett believes that companies that operate with integrity and honesty will ultimately be more successful than those that do not. The fourth section covers the importance of management and the qualities that Buffett looks for in a company's leadership team. Buffett believes that a company's management team should have integrity, intelligence, and a long-term focus. The final section covers the importance of shareholder value and the need for companies to create value for their shareholders. Buffett believes that companies should focus on creating long-term shareholder value rather than short-term gains. Overall, the Essays of Warren Buffett is an invaluable resource for anyone interested in investing or business. The book provides a unique insight into the mind of one of the most successful investors of all time, and offers practical advice that can be applied by investors and business leaders alike.